ni gotogo chaso mu kibosongo abwasirit ko lyarero barundia chipigipigi gwetane chiri bubere ko lyarero babwatokerwa achi logbook ne kyombekere kya watu credit abwase baegwa chianga chimiremo naboigo nebintu binde musakito Daniel Ontiri nigaenga sensemina gotwarganiria roboti orwega
nase nyumba yemesangerekano ya culture hall yegotokeme yomochobosongo ime county ya Kisii asedit kuliarero umugavana we county yo moske Simba Arati ara umurubulyo bokoena na logbook kiriya konye chitaro yigwa nabanyene chinamba plate chechi pigipigi no korosiwa na kuyika kwa mitambo ya GPS nse kiombe yokoena na makabeso kia watu credit omwegabo yikirenwa na bubwatani au igati yabo balia bechipara no bosombi National Transport and Safety Authority NTSA abaziri be county ya Kisii gati ya barayibanda bange
kama 2-3 hivi
ukwa na chinga kecho Simba Arati nigago kiregetambo kirekyo na gotebuna ngeche kokonya bana boda kwirubelia asobo sombi boigo asobugima
leo marking to launch the issuance of the logbooks 2,000 of them to my people who are boda riders and who will be the owners of the motorbikes. Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana na nasema kwamba Mungu awabariki the guys on the road, nyinyi ambao mnaendesha pikipiki, observe traffic rules as we are trying to walk around the clock to make sure our health facilities across the county they are working.
asense mwende nigababolia abarundi abo kwerobelia na kugendera na masomo chinga kibatalia semeremo ligwekinia konyora ubumanyi webintu bindi au
usiendesha pikipiki peke yake, unaweza soma kitabu, unaweza enda hapa. This library sasa ni Kisii County Library. It was involved from national government.
asense mwende abo bisaba igani ko bagokera igetambo kirekyo na gotebuna abo igo babikire mirobelio yogo kyania nonye no webi wechipigipigi bunenchiremo yoko enekebuna kiro yomo okonye kire.
We've had over the last few years we've had an increase of theft within the border areas, and one of the key things that we started working is working very closely with the border leadership. So we're one of the companies in Kenya that has mapped out every stage in Kenya. We're talking about over 30,000 stages that have been mapped up. We know who is the border leader of that specific stage. So we're working very closely with these leaders. In case an asset is lost, it's very easy for us to track this asset through our GPS system and work closer with the border leadership. Apart from the border leadership, we've developed a very good relationship with the security agencies. So we work very closely with them to also follow up to ensure that these criminals are actually apprehended.
We are reaching out to all partners that have a goodwill in terms of addressing this as they discharge their services to these people, so that we can all of us address the issue of road safety and sensitize and give capacity to these people, and also address the issue of ownership and the importance that it comes with.
Igambune nchiremo yoko enekebuna e county ya Kisii yagendere gotinyo bwa mate nebyombe binde au bya makabeso asomokia wo kugendereria e county ya Kisii ngoroboterega taseni kya Getembe litrene nguru ku Daniel Ontiri.